Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. Today is Wednesday, it's October 30th. Can you believe it? Only one more day to go and then it's Halloween and the end of the month. And it is also Anti-Procrastination Day if you follow the Fly Lady system. So as I mentioned, every day has a different focus. Wednesday is Anti-Procrastination Day, so it's the day we think about what have I either not been getting to or been putting off for whatever reason. Well, today is the day to get it done. And we're also following along with the Fly Lady using her Cruising Through the Holidays system, and she gives us daily missions Monday through Friday to help us plan and prepare for the holidays that are coming up, and that is so that we can enjoy them because everything's been done ahead of time. And she looks at it as if she were going on a cruise and leaving on December 1st and returning on Christmas Eve, then she would need to have all of these things done prior to December 1st. So that's our mindset as we're trying to cruise through the holidays by getting ready for this pretend cruise we're going on. So for Wednesday, October 30th, your mission is to figure out what size everyone in your family is. So somewhere in your control journal, your holiday control journal, which we printed either prior to yesterday or yesterday if you were just catching up, you're going to find a sheet in there and just write down everyone's sizes in your family. So don't forget you and your spouse if you have one, or your partner, whoever else needs to be on that list, any children you have, even if it's for your pets, if people like to buy pet gifts for you and the family. But you're going to write down, sizes for shirts and bottoms and shoes, and if it's for your husband, his, suit size, things like that. Whatever you think of, just jot that down, and that way if you are out shopping or someone is asking for ideas, you have all the information and you know what size to tell people to get. And you can also put this information in your phone if you're someone that does a lot of digital planning and you want to have it with you and you're not necessarily going to bring your whole holiday control journal with you, then jot that down, especially for the kiddos. Jot down what size everyone's in right now, and that way you have it ready whenever you need it. So take a few minutes and get that information down, and if you can't do it till they get home, then remind yourself, put a sticky note or a reminder on your phone to just measure or check everyone really quickly and see what size they are, so we're ready to go for that. And if you have anything else on your anti-procrastination list, let's get that down and get it done today as well. And I hope you noticed I've been having my little candle going there for some holiday hygge. If you're familiar with Diane in Denmark, it's a concept where we're just trying to make the everyday simple things cozy and enjoyable. So thanks for joining me today. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another mission. Leave me any questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then. Have a good day. Bye-bye.